In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ebook in Gamma app. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up Gamma, and then from here, you want to, of course, sign in, and then you want to click on Create New up top over here where it says AI, which will, of course, simplify the process. So click on that, and then from here, you have a bunch of different options. Click on Generate over here, and then the most important part is where it says, what would you like to create today? You don't click on Presentation, but you click on Document. Now, when you click on Document, you can go ahead and select how many cards you want. So for example, let's say I want 5 cards inside my ebook, and then here you want to select the card size. You could do default, pageless, letter, or A4. I'm just going to do A4 for this ebook. And then here you can also select your language. So for example, English. Over here, of course, you can select other languages as well. And then you have to basically describe what would you like to make. So here I'm going to just type in ebook about YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna click on generate outline. Of course, you can be a bit more specific if you want to. It's completely up to you, whatever you want to create. And then this is basically going to create your ebook outline over here, and you can see there's a bunch of different things. And if you want to use these outlines over here, that's perfectly fine. Or you could go ahead and add in breaks. You can add different cards as well if you want to add more of them, etc. And then down here at the bottom, it says customize your gamma. You can then go ahead and customize it. So you could do minimal, concise, detailed, extensive. You could do whichever one you want. And let's say I want this to be detailed. And then here you can select your visuals. So visuals, there's a bunch of different ones. There's Cornfield, Stardust, Editorial, Nova, Peach, Linen. There's a bunch of different ones. Select the one you want. I'm just going to do this Nova right now. Then you have to select your image source here. So you can do any of these. I'm just going to leave it as AI images. And then the AI image model, you could also play with this if you want to. I'm just going to use this auto selected model over here. And then here you have the option to actually adjust the image art style as well. So you have illustrations, photos, abstracts, 3D, line art, or custom. I'm just going to do line art for this one. And then you can also add in extra keywords. I'm just going to type in YouTube, and then I'm going to do, let's just leave it at YouTube, okay? Of course, you could do like crisp, sleek, neon. Let's just do neon as well, okay? That's going to be perfect. So when I've done that, you could also go into advanced mode over here, which will allow you for a bit more settings, for a bit more customization, stuff like that. I'm just going to go back. We're not going to mess with that right now. And then over here, if I go back into the draft, you can just go ahead and hit this generate button, and it's going to basically start generating your ebook for you. Now, I've created an ebook about fitness just minutes ago over here to show you how this works. So whenever you actually click on generate here, it's going to start generating for you. So let me show you how this actually does it. It's going to start writing the ebook on your screen. You'll be able to see it's actually quite cool, and you can just follow along and see what it's currently generating and what's going on. So there we go. It's basically refresh the site, and as you can see, yeah, there we go. It's now being created. You can see the pages here on the left, etc. And you can see it's creating the ebook for us. Now, if I go to the ebook that I've already created, as you can see, there's 5 pages over here, and I can go through different pages, and they're actually pretty cool. So that's the first one, or the second one. We have the third one. We have the fourth one over here, and then the fifth one. It's very, very cool. I could go ahead and edit things. So for example, I don't want this space over here. I could just add in an image if I want to. You could upload it, you could generate it, etc. You could go ahead and add basic blocks like some text. You could go ahead and search for things, add in smart layouts, stuff like that. And it's going to basically generate that for you. So here, as you can see, we have this one that we currently created. It's also very, very cool looking. And whenever that's generated, you could just go ahead and click on those 3 dots top right. And then here it says export. Click on export. And then you can select how you want to export this. Let's say I want to export this to a PDF. Click on it. It's going to start exporting. And then it's going to be downloaded onto your computer within just a few seconds over here. There we go. It's downloaded. You can click on it. It's going to open up, and there we go. We now have our ebook over here. So that's pretty much how to create an ebook with Gamma app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.